feel like I could just take a horse here. So beautiful. If you sat out here watching the sunset, I genuinely think I would love that. It's like a little picnic area. Yeah, I think it'll be like a really nice little hack spot. Do you reckon you can go down here? I haven't gone down here yet, actually. So just... Ah! Another little spot. Yeah, but it's quite nice out here to do a little hack down here. It's just a bit uneven. That's all I'll say though. There's a little road that goes along there. I reckon you could take your horse there. There's a little field there. There's quite a lot of fields actually, to be fair, so I think generally you'd be fine. Yeah, but I just wanted to show you because lately I've gotten really interested in horses, so I thought it would be a nice little hack trip if you come down here. So yeah, if you live in England, it's actually in Elam. So yeah. Oh look, there's a horse over there. It's a little bay. Oh my god, my camera is so blurry. Can't see it much better, but there's a horse there. I'll zoom out a bit. Look.